Hi, I'm Kate Ripple, the head of the British Academy of Jewellery.
Hi, and I'm Sally Collins. I'm the Technical Diploma Coordinator here at the BAJ.
We're really excited to welcome existing learners and new learners back in September.
Courses at the BAJ are so unique because of the focus we place on practical work at the bench. These workshop skills, along with in-depth study of design, are what make our students so industry ready.
We've been working really hard over the past few months to ensure a safe working environment for all staff and students for a September start.
We've planned staggered start times, smaller classes, social distancing in workshops, and online resources.
Because of these measures, we're able to offer all regular courses in September, including all the same amount of time at the bench as normal.
We're really hoping you'll join us in September for what's going to be a really exciting year.